Well, good day. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Atari 8-Bit Gameplay. This is MathWorks by Darren, I think I saw. Select key to choose the device, kid controller, joystick, computer, keyboard. Okay. I do not have a kid controller. I do, however, have a joystick. Select key to choose activity, starting with math, math without carry, starting to carry, addition with carry, math flashcards. Okay, cool. Interesting from the point of view of educational software from however many years ago this is. Let's take a look and see if I can't find this. What is this called now? MathWorks? Yeah, I need more information than this. One moment, please. Let me find the game listing on my file system, which is in here. 30 disc, the MathWorks edition. Okay, let's MathWorks. Concepts for Darren. Okay, there's a the MathWorks subtraction as well. Concepts for Darren presents. Right, apparently this is quite rare. It's got a terrible rating on Atari Mania, 2 out of 10. I mean, as a game goes, it's probably not super exciting. Anyway, let's have a look. Educational software, from 1985. Oh, it's a little later on in the life of the Atari computers, for sure. So, you're probably tired of looking at this screen. Let's get to starting with math. 40 plus 9. Oh, I should have chosen keyboard. Can I type it in? No, I cannot. Oh boy. This is not ideal. I have to hit up. You can't even hold it up. Okay, I'm going to reset this and choose keyboard. I'll be right back. One moment, please. Alrighty, here we are. Concepts for Darren. Is that a bear with a balloon that says CFD? Very lovely. Okay, we're going to press select to computer keyboard and press start, and then we're starting with math. 76 plus 2. Whew. I'm not sure if this qualifies as starting with math. A bomb. Okay, now what? Same thing. We're just going to do this over and over again? What's happening here? 8. 8 what? Oh my. Oh, you're just supposed to do the column. No wonder I got a bomb. So I got it wrong twice by typing in 78. Oh yeah, I see. It's showing the column in the highlights. Okay, well, I mean, starting with math, that's reasonable enough. So let's start with the ones column. 10 to the power of 0. I've actually been reading a book which is going over some of the foundations of computer science and how computers work, which is a refresher for me. But anyway, it's talking about different numbering systems with different bases. Is that the same thing as radix? I can't remember now. Anyway, so our number system, the normal one we use, based on us having 10 fingers, it is believed. The first column is ones. This is a position-based number system. So the first column is ones, the second column is tens, the next column is hundreds. So you're probably all familiar with that. But if you look at it from the powers of the base of the number system, it's 10 to the power of 0. How many 10 to the powers of 0? How many tens to the power of 1? How many tens to the power of 2, or 10 squared, 10 cubed, etc. So anyhow, let's see if I can master this. 7 plus 0. I'm going to go with 7. 2 plus nothing. also 2. Zero plus 6. You get a little Yankee Doodle to town. Wonder if this just sort of goes on ad infinitum, or if you can break out of it. How loud is this sound? Oh, pretty loud. Let me crank that down a bit. 4 plus 4 is 4, right? Or 44? Pretty sure it's 44. 4 plus 4, 44. Kaboom! 4 plus 4 is not 44. It is in fact 8. Obviously. I'm going to crank that down even a little more. 7 plus nothing is 7. Three blind mice, 3 blind mice. I'm hoping that this will kick me back out to the main menu after maybe 10 problems. Oh, my darling Clementine. What is that one? Can't remember. Oh, my darling, oh, my darling. I haven't been counting problems. We must be getting close to 10 though. So this is what passed for educational software. Not bad for the basic concepts of math. I think you'd want an adult explaining this if you had a 6 or 7-year-old sitting in front of the computer. But once they got the basic idea, they could do it on their own. Okay, that has to have been 10. I'm just going to have a quick look to see if there's a manual for this. No. Okay. So, I am going to reset this. I shall be right back and we'll try another activity. Okily dokily. We are choosing computer keyboard and we're going to try math without carry. Well, that's exactly what we've been doing so far. Let's see what's different about that. This is, okay, this is the same thing. Why would the two activities be different then? Oh, I see. Because you can have two two-digit numbers. That's the difference. Okay, well there you go. It's a small progression, but it is a progression nonetheless. So that's perfectly valid. All right, I'm going to reset and come back to this. The reason I'm pausing it is it takes, I don't know, 15-20 seconds to reset and get back here. So anyway, I'll do that and come back and we'll try the next step up the progression. Okay, so the next thing would be starting to carry. So let's try that. Oh, there's even a number right and a number wrong. That's interesting. So maybe it does, after some number of problems, take you back to the menu. So anyway, I'm not going to probably explore it to that extent. 9 plus 2 is in fact 11. So that is a single... What? Don't tell me 9 plus 2 isn't 11. Oh, I see. Now you have to type both digits, apparently. Okay. And 6 plus 1, the carry of 1 is in fact 7. So we get rewarded with a lovely tune. You know what? The graphics in this, for what it is, are pretty good. The fonts, like it's a customized set of presumably bit-mapped graphics. So 5 plus 8, I don't know if I can do that in my head, but 13, carry the 1. And 8 and 1 is 9. Very exciting. And again, as I said before, a nice progression. Little animated sequence with the 1 flying up to the top of the 7 there. You do get guidance. Actually, let's try that. So this is 13. You get guidance if you get it wrong a couple of times. So I'm gonna pretend that I don't know what 4 plus 1 is. Kablam! Not such a good answer. Well, 4 plus 1 must be 4 then, right? Nice gentle explosion sound. Oh, and then you get the answer. So it's 5, and then we hit enter, or we wait, I guess. We can't type 5. So what do? We just wait. We just wait. We think about what we've done and think about why the answer might be 5. 14. Okay. All right. Pausing. Coming back to try the next thing, which will be addition with carry, I think is what it's called. I'll be right back. Okay, ready to try addition with carry. Let's see how this goes. I'll start. Very much the same. I assume there's going to be some kind of progression. Maybe 2 carries. Skip to my loo. That's what that is. Okay, so that's 11. So is the progression that you have 3 things to add now, maybe? Possibly. Do 75, but we don't think in terms of the final answer. We are building our fundamental skills. Is that right? No, that's not right. Wow. Apparently my mental math ability is fading. Oops, no, not 77. So it does look like the difficulty maxes out at 2 two-digit numbers that will sum to less than like 99 or less. Doesn't look like it goes to 3-digit numbers. That of course being 8. Alright, I'm going to pause and come back for the math flashcards. Woo! Are you ready for this? Math flashcards. What? How is this different then? Am I supposed to enter the 0 or the 10? Yes, I am. Okay, you don't get the celebratory tune at every step of the way, or the first step of 2. 10, so we got the 1 to carry, 7. So I guess it could be any type of problem from the whole set of types of problems that the game presents. Ooh, that's a fancy one. 81, it's gonna be 11 and 8. Wow, okay, so I can do 2-digit math, addition. I don't know about subtraction. I don't know if I'll cover subtraction with Darren or whatever it's called. MathWorks subtraction. Maybe, maybe not. It's probably very much the same thing. Although you'll have to, there is borrowing and subtraction. So anyway, as basic educational mathematics software goes from 1985, which is almost 40 years ago now, it's not bad. But that's going to do it for my look at this one. MathWorks Edition by Concepts for Darren, I think is what it was. Yes, Concepts for Darren. Interesting publishing name. So, yeah, thanks a lot. You take good care of yourselves, and I shall see you next time. Bye.